So hello students. So welcome to this joining CA course. So I am starting CA foundation classes. So this one is related to accounts. So first let us discuss what is our syllabus and how we will do the syllabus means what is sequence. So let us see our what are major topics. So first of all we will start with new topics. So new topics let us see what are those ones. So number one is our inventory valuation. So second we will see consignment accounts. So number third we will see goods sent on. So sale or approval basis. Right. So these ones are our new topics. Then we have average due date. So in short we can also say ADD. And another one is account current. So I will start with new topic so that we will develop some interest in this subject. So let us see next one we will do our same topics which you have already done in plus one and plus two classes. So it means same topics so which you have already done in plus one or plus two classes. So let us see what are gold topics also, and these ones are new topics. So sixth one, this is a bank reconciliation statement. So seventh is a bill of exchange. And the eighth one is a rectification of errors. So then the ninth topic is our depreciation. So tenth we will discuss basic accounting concepts, which are also called as principles of accounting. So normally this one is the first chapter of our plus one class. So next we will see accounting standards. And then we will discuss about final accounts. So of sole trader. So in this we will discuss about trial balance, so trading account, so P&L account, balance sheet, so as well as adjustments. Then we have a major topic which we go in plus two. This is partnership accounts. So under this topic we have four chapters. So that is first of all final accounts of a partnership firm, means how to prepare adjustment, trading P&L and balance sheet of partnership firm. So then we have admission of a partner. So then we have retirement of a partner. So then it is a death of a partner. And one more corrective topic is so what are differences between partnership, which is called firm, versus LLP. So LLP is a limited liability partnership. So we will see what are differences. Finally, we have our topics related to company accounts. So in company accounts, we have three topics. So number one is issue of shares and debentures. So then it is about reissue and forfeiture of shares. So it will also include reissue and forfeiture. And another one is the final accounts of companies. And in the last, we will see accounts of non-profit organizations. So non-profit entities or organizations. So how to prepare their final accounts. So these are the topics. So I will follow this sequence. Like first of all, we will start inventory valuation. So you must have your study material open CU. So if you don't have study material, so then you can download from the site of institute. So site is this one. This is www.icai.org. Right, this one is the site of institute. So here you can click on students section, and then you can click on board of study knowledge, and then you will get CA foundation material, and you can click and download chapter wise study material is available at institute site which you can download. So let us see what are the basic concepts you should follow. So first of all, you should see this video. Then you should write down. So what are the steps which you can follow? Right, you should write it down. So what we are going so in a video lecture. Quickly, so you will find that it is same type of class room coaching in the video lecture also. So whatever we are doing here, you should note it down, right, in your notebook. And then I will also discuss all so problems of study material. So in study material, so there are so many examples are given as well as so we will also do all these examples as well as there are some questions also, practical questions. So at the end of every chapter, which we will also discuss here in this lecture. So it means a better method is so first you should do yourself. So do question. So once you understand the topic, like I have done some examples, then you try to do questions yourself. And then you can check this video to find out or to check your answer, whether it is correct or not. So in this way, you will get to confidence of how to attempt the question in examination. And another thing I want to tell you, only study material is sufficient. So there is no need to buy any other book. Only study material you do 2 times, 3 times, that one is sufficient for foundation examination. So many questions are given, and we will also discuss later on. So you will get some revision class also. So once you have done full syllabus, then we will do revision classes also, in which I will discuss so some questions of past examinations of ICAI. So First of all, you should do full syllabus in detail. Then we will have during exam days you can do revision classes. And here we will discuss questions which have appeared in past examination to get to confidence. So this is my objective, and our main objective is you get the best education from here. So let us start today our first lecture, which is our, I have told you, first topic is elementary valuation. So we are starting GAC 1.